Jaiveer Shergill of the Congress Party, Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, Shahid Siddiqui, Gaurav Bhatia and Rahul Narvekar of the SP and NCP respectively. Jaiveer Shergill, just so that the definition can be clear at the start of the program, can you please tell the Newshour viewers what is a kurta pajama government? What is a pajama government? Kurta pajama government, what do you mean by that?
Can I answer, Arnab?
Yes, please.
Firstly, for the sake of Newshour viewers, it is very, very important that Mr. Rahul Gandhi's entire statement is shown right now on your channel, where he starts with this statement that Shri Rahul Gandhi is reminded that this government belongs to every section of the society, businessmen, laborers, farmers, kisan, and not only to select few. Then his true context of his statement will be understood. Mr. Rahul Gandhi has reminded the government that it cannot be run by like a private corporation working overtime to give profit only to select few. It is not a government of only select few boot sarkar. It is of t-shirt jean government of those students upon whom you are imposing or thrusting those people who have no merit. It is the government of the farmers, the kurta pajama farmers whose land is snatching away.
No, so were you running Jaiveer Shergill, were you running a kurta pajama government when 2G licenses were being given out arbitrarily in the most blatant attempt at crony capitalism, leading to a loss of 1.76 lakh crore rupees to the exchequer? Were you running a t-shirt government or a jeans government? Were you running a kurta pajama government?
For the entire section of the society without any biases.
Were you running a
Congress party was working entire section of the society without any biases.
Listen to me. Okay, tell me one thing.
Straight from the tribal till the businessman of this country.
Jaiveer, listen to me. Use the whole wardrobe logic और जरा लोगों को बताइए कि जब 1.8 lakh crore rupees was the loss to the exchequer जब कोल का घोटाला हुआ, तो कोल घोटाला जब हुआ तब उस वक्त आप क्या टी शर्ट जीन्स गवर्नमेंट चला रहे थे या कुर्ता पजामा गवर्नमेंट चला रहे थे?
Arnab, Congress party that time was running a government for the common man when it went in Manrega, for the farmer when it changed the 2013 land bill.
कोयला घोटाले के टाइम पे
to the students.
When farmers. Last question. Open debate. Sudhanshu Trivedi comes in first. Sudhanshu Trivedi comes in first. Jaiveer Shergill, Sudhanshu Trivedi countering you 1 minute. Here the viewers can vote tonight on the Newshour on whether the kurta pajama government was on when 25,000 farmers, किसानों ने सुसाइड किया 2012 और 13 में, तो उस वक्त क्या आप कुर्ता पजामा गवर्नमेंट चला रहे थे या टी शर्ट जीन्स गवर्नमेंट चला रहे थे? Jaiveer Shergill opening the debate from the other side. Sudhanshu Trivedi now of the BJP. Sudhanshu Trivedi now
trying to say.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
What Mr. Jimmy Shergill has said, that the government should not be run by a few and should not be run like in corporate affairs. Of course, if you remember, and during your... Oh, sorry. Jaiveer Shergill, I just want to say one thing. Yes, of course, the government should not be run by a few and should not be run like a corporate house. Yes, of course. When it was the time of mine allocation, there was a tradition in UPA government. A skit was going from certain corners, from 10 Janpath or PMO from there, and this mine should be allotted to that. This was the type of government run by a few for the benefit of a few.
Where does this suit
forget about the corporate? In corporate there are certain procedures. And when the Supreme Court has asked that there should not be any interference by the political executive, your government has tried to mislead the Supreme Court. When the Supreme Court has asked, where are the files? You said the files are missing. It was quite clear what was the basic intention of your government, how it was run.
Hobnobbing with the Prime
and
Minister
now,
on foreign
what
tours
Mr. Rahul Gandhi has said,
the other people
Jaiveer Shergill, सुन तो लीजिए आप.
Arnab, can I come in? Arnab.
Let me complete the sentence, Mr. Shergill, then whatever you want you can say. what Mr. Rahul Gandhi has said has having two aspects, the letter and the spirit. If we go by the spirit, there are n number of examples. All the capitalists, all the corporate houses for which you try to make allegations, they became billionaires under your rule. They have done corruption under your rule. They have looted the Indian resources under your rule. And you are saying the government is not running for few? This was the Kurta Pajama government.
Who
Second
paid
thing,
you for issuing the land ordinance twice?
It was the great grandfather of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, whose suits uses to get dry clean from London and Paris, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru.
You are snatching the
It is your legacy
and you're
of getting the suit and boots and dry cleaned. And even Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Okay, Sudhanshu Trivedi, Gaurav Bhatia comes in. The debate tonight is over a kurta. The debate tonight is about a kurta pajama government.
Minister Sri Narendra Modi was selling tea on the railway platform.
Yeah, Arnab, now can I come in? I just want to make a point.
If you go by the letter of this,
promise to be the
Javed Shergill, Javed Shergill, 1 minute. Yeah, go ahead.
I think.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Arnab, the Congress is trying to match the BJP jumlas with its own. And everyone knows that Rahul is not known for his oratory skills. But I think it's not a question of suit boot ki sarkar or kurte pajame ki sarkar, because everyone remembers still the corruption that prevailed in the UPA 2 regime, and someone from the Congress will have to take the responsibility for it. Having said that, the BJP also has not fared well. Mr. Modi had raised the expectations of the common man. He had spoken about farmer welfare, and farmers only got an ordinance which was anti-farmer. Mr. Modi promised about black money, and then the entire nation saw how Mr. Modi was quiet and he did not speak on Lalit Gate, even in the parliament. Then Mr. Narendra Modi has spoken about removing corruption from the country. And what happened? After 1.5 years of BJP government, there is no Lokpal in the country, and we see scams like Vyapam and Vasundhara Raje being involved in corruption.
No, do you run a kurta pajama government, Gaurav Bhatia, when Azam Khan gets the policemen to run after buffaloes? Gaurav Bhatia and Sudhanshu Trivedi. Gaurav Bhatia and Sudhanshu Trivedi, please. Gaurav Bhatia, Sudhanshu.
You have so-called
Mr. Azam Khan,
1 minute. That Sushma ji need not to resign.
You brought in.
Now what is the stand of Mr. Gaurav Bhatia?
Khan's name. Let me
should
tell
make it
you.
very clear.
When
No, 1 second, please. Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Please stop. No, 1 second. Gaurav Bhatia's question coming your way from Sudhanshu Trivedi. No, Sudhanshu Trivedi is asking you a question.
Yeah, can I?
No, Mr. Bhatia, ruk jaiye. Wait a minute, Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia, listen, please. Listen. A counter from Sudhanshu Trivedi to Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia, you'll have to listen to it. पूछिए.
धरती पुत्र मुलायम सिंह यादव जी ने सुषमा जी के लिए कहा है कि उनको इस्तीफे की जरूरत नहीं थी. Now what are your stand on the so-called
वसुंधरा राजे और शिवराज सिंह चौहान की बात करी
और अगेंस्ट नेताजी.
मैंने शिवराज सिंह चौहान, मैंने व्यापम स्कैम की बात करी सुधांशु जी, जिसमें कि 50 जाने गई हैं. मैंने वसुंधरा राजे जी की बात करी. मैंने एक बार भी सुषमा स्वराज जी का नाम नहीं लिया.
पर्सन ऑफ समाजवादी पार्टी.
Absolutely, I have made it clear. I think you weren't paying attention when I said Vyapam scam has become something like what was happening in UPA 2, a symbol of corruption, and I spoke about Vasundhara Raje. And let me just make one more point clear. I just want to say that when you raise the aspirations of 1 billion people and more than 1 billion people, and you do not fulfill them, you are bound to lose. And it would start happening. It started happening in Delhi.
Okay, let me say this. Let me say this. Two people haven't spoken. One of them is wearing a kurta pajama. So it appears to me tonight that wearing a kurta pajama actually goes against your chances of speaking on the news. Rahul Narvekar, there's no kurta pajama quota on the News Hour tonight, but here's the question to you. No.
What you wear inside your heart for your country matters, not a kurta pajama or a suit boot.
So you don't have to be conscious of the fact that you're not wearing one. See, Rahul Gandhi put you on the back foot. You see, that's the problem, Gaurav Bhatia. Now, Shahid Siddiqui, kurta pajama government के logic पर आपका position क्या है? Shahid Siddiqui, Shahid Siddiqui, please. Shahid Siddiqui.
He bats on the front foot. I don't have to follow Mr. Rahul Gandhi.
Shahid Siddiqui.
If other friends on the panel keep quiet for a minute, I would like to make a few points. Look, Rahul Gandhi wore Western clothes all his life, but in public life he is now wearing kurta pajama. Mr. Narendra Modi wore kurta pajama all his life. Now in public life he is wearing sometimes a suit. So both have betrayed their own, past. They have betrayed their clothes. They have betrayed their patloon and pajama. But today to wear kurta pajama is a very expensive business. The common man, even if you go to villages, and I go to a lot of villages, wear a pant or a jeans or a patloon or a terry lane shirt. That is the dress of a common man today. The common man cannot afford kurta pajama. Kurta pajama is the dress of the very rich politicians who can afford this kind of khadi clothes. So therefore those who talk of kurta pajama are not really talking of the common man.
Okay, I take your point. I think your mic's fallen off. There's no problem with that.
Why are we digressing from the issue?
No, I'll bring you back to the issue. I'll bring you back to the issue. I'll bring you back to the issue. Jaivir, 1 minute. Speech mode में मत जाइए. Speech mode में मत जाइए. Jaivir Shergill. Jaivir Shergill, listen please. Listen please. Listen. Jaivir Shergill. 1 minute please. Were you running a kurta pajama government when deserving candidates were excluded from the farm loan waiver scheme? Were you running a kurta pajama government when your own politicians were charged with the CWG scam? Were you running a kurta pajama government when your own politicians were slammed for quid pro quo in the Kargil for profit others scam? Were you running a kurta pajama government when the CAG exposed leakages in the Manrega scheme that you just spoke about? Were you running a kurta pajama government when farmers were committing suicide all across the country, and in Haryana you were giving 2 rupees and 3 rupees as compensation to farmers? Were you running a kurta pajama government when Robert Vadra made crores of rupees on the land deal in Haryana? Were you running a kurta pajama government in all these occasions? Answer us tonight. Yes, Shahid Siddiqui Shahid Siddiqui as well. Shahid Siddiqui as well.
And a shirt these days, a t-shirt is common for a Bharat.
You asked me series of questions.
Bharat is a global place now. It's a global. We are part of the global development. They want to keep us in the kurta pajama age.
Okay,
that will not happen.
It was running a government for every section of the society. When we electrified 55% of the villages, when we provided Janani Shiju Yojana for safe deliveries, when we increased FDI in the country, when the farmers
also talk about the
today,
the Colgate, the CWG
why is the debate?
I think it would raise the credibility.
Today, why is the debate not in the issues raised by Shri Rahul Gandhi? Why is the debate not in that?
Crony capitalism was at its peak during the UPA government. Everybody knows. The congressmen know, the nation knows. That it was crony capitalism which was running the UPA government.
I don't agree. I actually think
that today do you repent that CWG scam, the 2G scam and the Colgate scam happened under the UPA 2 regime? Do you regret that?
Javi, don't go on and on, please. 1 second.
The voice of the student.
It was few industrialist corporate houses who were running 1.5 years
out of power. I just wish to ask you that even for a moment do you regret that the biggest scam in the history of free India happened during the UPA 2 regime? Do you regret that?
Now the questions to the BJP.
I just wanted to ask you that.
Now the questions to the BJP. Now the questions
under the UPA 2 regime. You have to take responsibility.
Now the questions are to the BJP, and Rahul Narvekar can also come in. बहुत टची हो रहे हैं आप आज, सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी. अब there is a issue which Rahul Gandhi has raised. He says you're a suit boot की सरकार. कहीं हर बार every time Rahul Gandhi makes a point on suit boot की सरकार, आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है. But please tell me, and since this first question will be on Maharashtra, Rahul Narvekar can come in and counter you. Farmer suicides continue at a distressing rate in Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र में farmer suicide हर दिन बढ़ रहे हैं. Suicides have reached 61% of the total number in 2014 within the first 6 months of the year. यानी कि साल के पहले 6 महीनों में जितने लोगों ने खुदकुशी की थी, जितने फार्मर्स ने खुदकुशी की थी 2014 में, पहले 6 महीनों में 2015 के वो नंबर पार हो चुका है. 69 farmers have killed themselves every month in the Marathwada region of Maharashtra alone. You understand the problem? And this government slashes corporate tax by 5%. Corporate tax घट गया, फार्मर्स की आत्महत्या बढ़ रही है. सूट बूट की सरकार की जो बात कह रहे हैं राहुल गांधी, इसमें कुछ तो लॉजिक है. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, कुछ तो लॉजिक है. सुधांशु त्रिवेदी response, Rahul Narvekar. Sudhanshu Trivedi response, and after that Rahul Narvekar, please.
As far as the farmers' problem in Maharashtra is concerned,
yes, sir,
it is a very serious problem since over the years and over the decades. There were n number of times when the package was given to Vidarbha and Marathwada, but ultimately it couldn't succeed.
Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, you are not aware about the fact. Yours has been the most insensitive government of the day. Maharashtra has
seen. The one fact is, let me complete the sentence, and Mr. Rahul Narvekar, you want to say, whatever you want to say, you can say.
In the first 6 months,
the Maharashtra is a state which is consistently being governed by you.
State of Maharashtra and promised the farmers of Maharashtra, had promised the people of Maharashtra FRP. What happened to that? Why did he make a false promise to the farmers of Maharashtra?
Sudhanshu Trivedi, respond, please.
Chief Minister says not a single rupee of farmer loan waiver will be given. Will you give an answer for that?
Sudhanshu Trivedi, respond. Don't repeat your question twice. He's got the point.
This government which spoke about...
Sudhanshu Trivedi, response, please.
Today has
only one response. No, only Sudhanshu Trivedi.
First of all, I was saying that there is a chronic problem of farmer suicide and the distress in agriculture in Maharashtra.
Rahul Narvekar, listen to the answer. Yeah.
Congress and NCP ruled for 15 years. Still, if I ask, what is the percentage of irrigated land in Maharashtra? It is just 15%.
Mr. Sudhanshu
On the other hand, in the adjoining state,
are you saying because the Congress and NCP did not arrest the problem, you are justified in not arresting the problem?
No, let me complete the sentence.
Because every time Bharatiya Janata Party is put a question,
what I am trying to say, after 15 years of your rule,
therefore
the Maharashtra is having 15% of irrigated land. In the nearby Chhattisgarh, when our government came, it was 10%, now it is 40%.
I will give you
the answer. Rahul, wait.
In the adjoining Madhya Pradesh, there should be some concrete decisions for the real upliftment of agriculture. Look at the agriculture growth rate.
Let him speak, Rahul, after him.
So there is a consistent problem which we got in inheritance.
Now, gentlemen, will you please?
Now, I would like to come. What our government is doing for farmers.
Please let him complete his point, please.
I come to you. Speak or let
No, Rahul Narvekar, this is not fair. Rahul Narvekar, Rahul Narvekar, you have made a valid point. You put a counter. Should you not listen?
No.
Your charge is that this is a suit boot ki sarkar.
What is what Chief Minister is doing in the state of Maharashtra?
Now let him respond to you.
When Mr. Sharad Pawar was the Agricultural Minister of India, there was a farmer loan waiver of 60,000 crores. Your government, after promising time and again, has not given a single rupee. 4,000 crore rupees were supposed to be given as farmer loan waiver packages in the last session of Parliament.
Mr. Narvekar,
that has still not
Mr.
been
Narvekar, let me ask you one thing. Mr. Narvekar,
which are also bouncing.
Mr. Narvekar,
that is the state of affairs of your government. What are you talking about?
Mr. Narvekar, is this a suit boot government or is it a kurta pajama government when the irrigation?
The answer lies in what Mr. Narvekar is saying himself. For 15 years, you were having the government in Maharashtra, and for 10 years, Agriculture Minister from Maharashtra from your party, Mr. Sharad Pawar. And still you are asking the question to us.
Of this country,
what you have done in the last 15 years? And what your Agriculture Minister has done in the last 10 years?
The suit boot or the kurta pajama?
You have to answer for that. And then we will answer that what is being done and what is being not done. And you are asking so aggressively.
What the agriculture minister has done for the last 10 years, the nation has seen.
Kurta pajama versus suit boot debate number 2 tonight. Don't remain stuck on one issue. Don't remain stuck on one issue. My next question. My next question is Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi. सवाल मेरा आपसे है. सवाल अरे भाई
प्रधानमंत्री like the country has today.
अच्छा, now Mr. Narvekar.
Arnab, can I just ask a question to Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please?
You want to anchor the program? Can I ask a question to you? Is that your way of deflecting a question to yourself? In that case, I won't allow you. You want to ask a question? No, I'll come to you after.
I will never deflect any question, Arnab. So you can ask me any question you want, but I thought that since we were discussing the farmers,
okay, go ahead.
It was very important.
Gaurav Bhatia, go ahead. Gaurav Bhatia and Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi should know that BJP is in a habit of breaking its promises, be it the OROP, the black money, or the farmers issue. In the manifesto, they said they will not take irrigated land. It would only be unirrigated land which will be acquired. They brought the land acquisition ordinance 3 times without even consulting farmers, and the maximum number of suicides have happened during the BJP regime of 1.5 years, especially in BJP ruled states. What have they done for the farmers? And especially in the state of UP, when due to inclement weather, farmers were suffering and there was a loss of 2,000 crores, the state government from its own exchequer paid the farmers. And they are so shameless. For the 8 months, they did not even release a penny to the farmers, because they said that there is a national disaster relief fund and the funds will come in some time. And it took them 8 months to even pay a penny to the state.
Point is made. Please don't go into speech mode. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Sudhanshu Trivedi. This is so unfortunate.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, UP specific सवाल है, बहुत बड़ा लंबा सवाल था. Please answer, please. Go ahead. Sudhanshu Trivedi to Gaurav Bhatia.
On this specific question, I would like to clarify. Our government has taken 2 steps for this recent natural calamity which has came down heavily on farmers. Number 1, we have increased the compensation by 50%. So we have made it 1.5 times. Second,
that was done by
the quality of the grain which is to be purchased during for the purpose of MSP. We have reduced it
any funds to the UP farmers,
so that if it is having more moisture content, it can be accepted.
Did you release any funds
Third
to the
thing,
state government of UP?
For the entitlement of getting support from central government, it was 50% of your crop should have been destroyed. Then you were entitled to get support. Now we have reduced this criteria. Even if 1/3 of the crop is destroyed, then the farmer is entitled. So we have taken these 3 major steps.
Did you even release 1 crore for
Mr. Gaurav Bhatia should know about it. And as far as the land acquisition bill is concerned, though this is a separate subject on which we are having a lengthy discussion, but I would like to ask, what was the stand of UP government on the 27th of June 2014 when the meeting was called by Union Surface Transport Minister and Revenue Minister's meeting? What UP government has said? Has UP government not said that there are certain problems in the present bill?
Okay,
it is in the written document.
Last 10 minutes.
You should go by the stand.
We are entering the
UP government of Samajwadi.
We are entering the last 10 minutes.
Karnataka government of Congress.
We are entering the last 10 minutes of the debate. The debate right now is over kurta pajamas on the one side versus on the one side. On the one side.
And what for your stand?
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी जरा व्यूअर्स से कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ. I want to say something to the viewers. Gaurav Bhatia on the one side are kurta pajamas. 1 second.
Why will this government be sensitive towards the
and here the topic was suit boot versus kurta pajama.
The agriculture minister of this country makes a statement
और कुर्ता पजामा छोड़िए. आप सरकार है जो बहुत
This is the problem with me. This is the problem.
आदमी किसान छात्र
और आप बात कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, now 1 minute.
Not kurta pajama.
जुमले चलाइए.
Is the government working towards kurta pajama or suit boot or not?
अरे भाई जयवीर शेरगिल, now you can't get away, Jayveer. Now you are realizing that it's going against you.
You have allowed
so no, Gaurav, no, Jayveer, this is your problem. You have to, Jayveer, listen, Jayveer, am I Sudhanshu Trivedi? That मैं चार शब्द ना कह दूं, आप बोलना शुरू करते हैं. मेरा नाम अर्णव गोस्वामी, आप सुधांशु त्रिवेदी को रिबट करें. 2 मिनट रुक जाइए प्लीज. बात तो मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि डिबेट है कुर्ता पजामा वर्सेस सूट बूट. No, the debate is kurta pajama versus suit boot. Jayveer Shergill is now trying to change the subject, saying the debate is not kurta pajama versus suit boot. But who spoke about kurtas? Who spoke about chappals? Who spoke about pajamas? It was Rahul Gandhi. So now that he has said it, I will not let go of you. Now Jayveer Shergill, you tell me.
Please.
Listen to me first of all. Since you said please, sun to lijiye. Were you selling kurta pajamas? Were you selling kurta pajamas when Robert Vadra's minimum investment turned into skyrocketing profits in the Haryana land deal? वो कुर्ता पजामा पॉलिटिक्स थी रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की या सूट बूट पॉलिटिक्स थी? Were you selling kurta pajamas? And see, you're completely quiet. You mentioned Robert Vadra, Congress goes quiet.
No.
Were you selling kurta pajamas?
Asking me.
No. सवाल कर रहा हूँ करने दीजिए. Were you selling kurta pajamas when norms were relaxed in the case of Robert Vadra over his land deals, which even the CAG pointed out? You want me to read out what the CAG said? अबे रॉबर्ट वाड्रा की क्या लॉजिक है? कुर्ता पजामा लॉजिक है? No. Does Robert Vadra belong to kurta pajama or suit boot politics?
The issue is not kurta pajama versus suit boot.
See, now you can't say that's not the issue.
The government.
No. You can't say. The issue is kurta pajamas versus suit boot.
In fairness for both kurta pajama or suit boot.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, आप
When
कांग्रेस
the
कह रहे
government
हैं.
increase the taxes, let me complete.
नहीं, ये क्या लॉजिक है?
Sudhanshu Trivedi talk about agriculture.
No. एग्रीकल्चर पे डिबेट नहीं है. कुर्ता पजामा वर्सेस सूट बूट पे डिबेट है.
to 4,500 crore.
अरे भाई, am I asking you for agriculture? Sudhanshu Trivedi.
BJP budget cut by 50%. ICDS 50%. हेल्थ बजट बाय 15%. सुधांशु जी, राष्ट्रीय कृषि विकास योजना 10,000 करोड़ से 4,500 करोड़ बजट कर दिया.
रॉबर्ट वाड्रा पे आप कुछ नहीं कहना चाहते? रॉबर्ट वाड्रा पे आप कुछ नहीं कहेंगे?
बीजेपी
आप आज मुझे नहीं 1 सेकंड मैं मानता हूं कि आज के प्रोग्राम पर जयवीर शेरगिल मेरी बात सुनिए. जयवीर शेरगिल, मैं ज्यादा नहीं एक मिनट, एग्रीकल्चर पर डिबेट नहीं है.
Which court has ruled out that the Congress government has favored Robert Vadra? That you're saying that?
मेरी बात
Which court of this country has ruled that out?
तो ये एक बात बताइए. आप एक विशेष टिप्पणी आपसे चाहता हूं मैं.
Whereas
आपसे मैं
kurta pajama versus suit boot.
See the number of villages electrified.
I would like to say one more
See
thing.
the people who got children who got nutrition.
No, I'm not getting an answer. You tell me today. I am not going to let go of this.
Arnav.
No. 1 second.
Arnav, I want to say
I want to know from the Congress.
It's a very serious point, Arnav.
No. 1 second. Sudhanshu Trivedi countering you. By the way, आप ये कुर्ता पजामा सूट बूट वाले इशू पर आप भाग नहीं सकते.
Trivedi should answer.
Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
But kurta pajama person cannot spend 2 months of holiday abroad.
Yeah.
They have to spend all the holidays in the village itself.
Sudhanshu ji, neither the Prime Minister of India can wear a 10 lakh suit. Neither the Prime Minister of India can wear a 10 lakh suit. Neither the Prime Minister of India can work overtime to snatch the land of the farmers. Neither the Prime Minister of India.
एक दूसरे पे मत बोले please. Don't speak over each other.
Institution acts on them. Neither the Prime Minister of India can wear 10 lakh suit and cut the health budget by 15%.
Jayveer Shergill, दूसरों को सुन ले प्लीज दूसरों को. 2 मिनट. सवाल यह है, कुर्ता पजामा वर्सेस सूट बूट. कांग्रेस पार्टी says now we didn't talk about it. By the way, who's going to believe you there? Is Rahul Gandhi's copyright over kurta pajama versus suit boot?
Rahul Gandhi said government should work and give benefits to all. Please be clear. Play the video clip on your channel right now. I will be right. Please play it. Rahul Gandhi said this government belongs to everybody. What about your promises to the youth, the farmer, to सुधांशु जी, आप इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं, 19,000.
Sudhanshu Trivedi now responding.
North India in the past 14 months.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. BJP's turn. BJP's turn.
Import is down.
BJP's turn.
Down.
BJP's turn. Now, cutting wealth tax, reducing corporate tax, income tax unchanged. बात तो है सूट बूट वर्सेस कुर्ता पजामा में अगर तीन बातें को माना जाए, कटिंग ऑफ वेल्थ टैक्स, रिडक्शन ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स एंड अनचेंज्ड इनकम टैक्स, राइट? Along with denying farmers a say in land acquisition, vehemently pushing for changes in the land acquisition bill that appear to be pro-corporate.
Okay.
No. You want no.
Okay.
And I told you about farmers' suicides. And by the way, आप कहते हैं कि बहुत inclusive government है. As of May this year, more than half the accounts opened under the Jan Dhan Yojana had zero balance. So this suit boot jibe, ये राहुल गांधी जो हर बार सूट बूट वर्सेस कुर्ता पजामा ये पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, इससे आपको कहीं ना कहीं तो लगती है like you really get upset about it because you know it's a kind of perception that you don't want to have. Sudhanshu Trivedi, please, 5 minutes on the debate. 5 minutes on the debate.
As far as the
5 minutes on the debate, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Concerned, it is being done to make India at par with the rest of the countries in the region and also in the world in this era of globalization. Now, as far as the allegation on corporate world and not doing something for the downtrodden section of the society, I would like to ask, भाई ये जनधन योजना किसके लिए थी? कारपोरेट के लिए थी क्या? ये स्वच्छता अभियान किसके लिए था? ये स्वच्छता का प्रभाव किस पे पड़ता? कारपोरेट पे या गरीब आदमी पे?
राहुल नार्वेकर
बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ किसके लिए था? कारपोरेट के लिए था कि
राहुल नार्वेकर
आदमी के लिए था?
अकाउंट्स में बैलेंस
Our entire endeavor was to ensure a good and healthy life and a prosperous life. ये बताइए, अटल पेंशन योजना, ये 1 रुपए महीने की पेंशन पे योजना किसके लिए थी? कारपोरेट के लिए थी या आम आदमी के लिए थी? गरीब आदमी के लिए थी? आप बताइए, स्किल डेवलपमेंट इज फॉर whom? फॉर कारपोरेट और फॉर द
एक बार एक व्यक्ति, one person.
And as far as the Congress claim is concerned, I would like to say, after ruling 60 years, out of the 68 years, they themselves said, while bringing the Food Security Act, that 2/3 of the country needs food security. 2/3 of the country needs food security.
Rahul Narvekar on the Rahul Pajama logic debate. Rahul Narvekar.
There will be no need of food security. It will not be the situation that 67.
Okay, Rahul, no, two people at time.
After you have got 60 years.
To camouflage all the real concerns of this country under the statements made by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. I don't know where is this nation heading. One national party talks about the garments that a government should wear. The other national party takes advantage of that statement and decides to camouflage all the current issues that concern the people. We are not talking about the corruption issues that this country is facing today, despite there being a promise of a clean governance. We are not talking about the commitment of this government to the people of this country vis-a-vis the land acquisition legislation.
Rahul,
we are
you
not
must
talking
try
about
to
inflation arrest.
recollect the facts
which the people want to know.
It is our government which has made a SIT on black money.
You cannot camouflage
it is our government which has brought
using
black
the
money on the
statement of
G20
Mr. Rahul Gandhi. That is what
it
you
is
are
our
doing.
government which
but
has made a
fortunately,
very
the people
tough
of this country are very smart.
Money.
They have
How
seen
you are
through your
we are not
face.
doing
They have seen through your acts. They have seen through your deeds. Therefore, Mr. Sudhanshu Trivedi, what black money are you talking about? After making the change in the legislation.
Okay, Rahul Narvekar, you ask a question, listen to the reply. Rahul Narvekar, count down to you now, Sudhanshu Trivedi. When I speak, Sudhanshu Trivedi now, please. Everyone, short responses, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
I mean, I have a very important...
No, Sudhanshu Trivedi, please, responding to Rahul Narvekar first. After that, I'll come to you, sir. Yes, please, Sudhanshu. No, Sudhanshu Trivedi wanted to respond to Rahul Narvekar. I'm allowing him.
Rahul, I have said that you should verify the fact that you are saying that we are not doing anything for the corruption. It is our government which has constituted a SIT. It is our government, Finance Ministry had got concessions from Switzerland in the month of September, October. It is our government on the behest of Prime Minister Modi in the G20 summit in Australia. The issue of black money was included with the unanimous resolution, and it is our government which has got a very tough law
commitment and
on black money. And then you are saying we are doing nothing.
It is your government government which did not want to have a debate.
And I have given you account of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Swachhata, Jan Dhan Yojana, pension scheme. It's all for poor.
He wasted the first 10 days of this government, of this parliament session. Number two, the black money issue which you are talking about. Let me just remind you, 3 days back, there was a report in the Times of India which clearly said that there has been only a single disclosure to the tune of 70 to 80 crores. You have done absolutely nothing.
Sudhanshu
with
Trivedi.
regards to black money also.
Sudhanshu Trivedi, 2 minute baki hai debate mein.
I would like to say just one sentence.
What have you done?
Those who have
Sudhanshu
taken the money of this country and spent abroad as a black money, they are accusing us just that you have just constituted an SIT. You have just made a law. You have just included a resolution. Those who are having allegation of putting money in that, there is a proverb in Hindi, ulta chor kotwal ko daate. It is clear-cut visible here. उल्टा चोर को तवाल को डांटे। अरे भाई हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं।
अच्छा बात से शाहिद सिद्दीकी शाहिद सिद्दीकी आखिरी सवाल ये है शाहिद सिद्दीकी से शाहिद सिद्दीकी इस डिबेट who wins this debate tonight?
You had promised within
Shahid Siddiqui, who wins this debate?
Black money. You came to power on this promise.
No, Shahid Siddiqui, is this kurta pajama logic going to come back to haunt Rahul Gandhi? Shahid Siddiqui.
Anna, what is your question? I can't hear you.
The question is this, if we can please listen. Is the kurta pajama argument going to come back to haunt Rahul Gandhi? Is the kurta pajama argument, which is trending as Rahul pajama logic, going to come back to haunt Rahul Gandhi? Simple.
Now, Arnab, this is jumlebazi. This is absolutely false debate. Every government has to take both the corporates and the common man with them. Whether it was in this age of globalization, of economic growth and development and focus on industrialization, we have to do it. And we just can't have false debates. We have to be balanced. We have to understand that the country has to grow. And if the country has to grow, both the corporate, the industry has to grow, the farmer has to grow, and there has to be a balance between the two. And that's what UPA government did. That's what Modi government is doing. And unnecessarily, these people are turning it into a kurta versus patloon debate, where no debate, no such controversy exists. The reality is that whether it is UPA government or it is the NDA government, both have to take the corporates of the country and the farmers together. Otherwise, the country will not grow. You can't. This is not. It's no more the socialist age. It's not no more the Soviet.
Okay, age gentlemen, running short of time.
The Mao Zedong, where you have the left versus right. It is not there.
One quick point.
If you want to create a welfare state, you have to have the corporates, the industrialists also on board. And that's what the previous government did. That's what this government is doing.
To pay 3,500 crores to the farmers, and we doubled the compensation.
Okay, 1 second.
And what hurts us the most is that Mr. Narendra Modi waits for the election to
debate, totally hypocritic debate.
Who wins?
Why can't he declare a special?
All are being hypocrites.
I think we'll have another round of the Sood Boot versus pajama debate.
But in the debate, they all want to prove that they are.
I think we'll have another round of Sood Boot versus pajama debate. But if anybody tells me that corruption will go, law and order will be back, communalism will disappear by wearing kurta pajamas, then I think we'll have to really look at that logic very, very deeply. I thank you all very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you.